Choosing the right distributor is one of the most critical decisions a beverage alcohol brand will make. If you have the option, should you go with a large national player or should you focus more on regional expertise? The answer depends on your brand and its unique needs. Let's break it down. Large distributors like Southern Glazers and R&DC have near national reach, covering most US states. They offer massive networks, established relationships with major retailers, and top-tier logistics. This access to a vast number of accounts and large infrastructure that ensures reliable distribution and regulatory compliance across multiple markets makes them ideal for brands that are ready to scale nationally. But there are some drawbacks. With thousands of brands in their portfolio, small or new brands may struggle to get attention. These large companies are focused on high volume sales, which can leave emerging brands without the personalized support they need. You should consider large distributors for brands scaling nationally or those ready to supply product to a wide network of accounts. Regional distributors like Martin Yeti companies in New England offer a middle ground. They have strong local expertise and deep relationships within their markets. These distributors are focused on market penetration in key states and offer more personalized attention and flexibility compared to large distributors. They also have strong relationships with local retail chains and on-premise accounts. But of course, these have their drawbacks as well. These distributors are limited to a few states, so scaling nationally requires multiple partnerships. And these are not necessarily ideal for brands looking for rapid nationwide expansion. But regional distributors are perfect for brands targeting deep market penetration in specific geographic areas. If you'd like to learn more about large, regional, or independent distributors or self-pitch distribution platforms like Park Street that offer back-office services, check out the full guide to U.S. distribution in the description below. Thanks for watching.